What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the remote location on this beautiful, beautiful summer's day. Yeah, here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. That's right. Now, a while ago, I shot a quick little video of me installing, or should I say mocking up, the GTO nose on the Lemans project. Isn't she beautiful? And as always, when you have a car in the video, you're gonna have tons of questions. Now, the biggest question that I got was, being that I'm converting from a Lemans to a GTO, how difficult is it? You know, with the nose. And I'm so glad that question was asked because it really isn't that difficult. You just gotta have the right parts. Now, the biggest cosmetic difference between the Lemans and the GTO is the front end, which the nose looks a lot different on a GTO than it does Lemans. Now, I'm not talking about parts to make the doors open or either grill pieces. So we're gonna address the grills and how to make a standard GTO to a hideaway headlight GTO. We're gonna do a video on that real soon. But this video is all about the difference between a GTO nose and a Lemans nose, and all the pieces you might need if you want to convert. So yes, a lot of people convert a Lemans to a GTO. Matter of fact, there are probably more GTOs out there now than that was ever produced. So that means there's a lot of clones rolling around there, which is okay. And this one is going to be another one, but it's going to be LS infused with a GTO spirit. So whether you have a Lemans you want to convert to a GTO or a GTO you want to convert back to a Lemans, that's right. I said a GTO going back to a Lemans. You got a lot of purists out there that believe if the car started as a Lemans, they want to return it back to a Lemans. So you see some people out there that have GTO clones and they go back to a Lemans, which is cool. You got to do you. If a Lemans is what you want, a Lemans you shall have. For me, I want a GTO. Now, other than just the look of the bumpers, they're pretty much the same to mount. You just got different hardware. So I got my Lemans nose and I got the GTO nose on the car. So let's take a look at some of the differences. Whereas if you want to do that conversion back to a GTO or making GTO back to a Lemans, or making a clone GTO, because making a real GTO to a Lemans, that's like blasphemy. But anyways, so that's what we're gonna do. Surprisingly, the only thing that's holding the bumper on is two big brackets. I mean, pretty much everything else bolts right in. See? Lemans, GTO, pretty much the same. They all line up. So this is a real easy swap. But there are some differences. Now, for the longest time, I always thought that there was like a bolt or two that held the nose to the fender. But there's not. As you can see, nothing. But on the Lemans, you have this rubber piece that makes up the space that fits in just like that. See? On the GTO, you don't have that. It's supposed to sit flush right with the fender. Now the biggest thing are those two brackets that bolt the nose to the frame. Let me show you. This is the bumper bracket from my 69 Lemans. I was doing some research and I want you guys to confirm it, help me out. The bumper bracket from the Lemans will fit a GTO without hideaway headlights. Now, if you have hideaway headlights, and you can see it's boxed, and the frame kind of slides in between the bracket, and there's two big bolts that hold them on each side. This is what I'm finding out. So I don't know if it's true or not, but please confirm, let me know, all you brilliant minds in the GTO forums. So let me know if you can use the standard Lemans bumper bracket on your GTO Endura bumper without the hideaway headlights. So there you have it. Those are the subtle differences betwixt the two noses. You know, I'm starting to like that Lemans. Not enough to change my thoughts on making a GTO clone, but I'm starting to like it. I think it's because I always thought the nose looked sad. I always thought the Pontiacs back in the day, it looks sad. Those cars look sad, but actually owning one now, I'm kind of liking this nose. And I think what I might do is in my man cave, maybe hang it up on the wall, make like a little fixture for it or something like that. Because it is a cool nose, but the GTO nose is cooler. But anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach them. I'm not a hard brother to find. But looking at the clock in the sky, I mean the sun, time for me to head on off and do some more videos for you guys, because that's what I do. Love them. And I got a whole bunch of fresh new videos coming out, so don't want to miss it. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you hit subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Terry LSX, and make sure you hit that bell. Knock that bell out so you get notified whenever I put a video out. But until we see each other again, please, as always, be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.